What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got some hot 5 off 25 deals I did at Family Dollar and Dollar General. Just trying to put y'all on for the week. And I see that nobody didn't find my budget planner interesting, but that's okay. It's still for sale if somebody wants to take a look at it and want to save money. It's still for sale, and I will be posting that link in the description. So if you click on the link and it doesn't take you right to the site, you can copy that link, paste it in your Google search bar or Safari, whatever platform you're using, be it Apple or Android, and it should take you right to that link to purchase the budget agenda and the savings companion. The savings companion is free when you purchase the budget planner. So basically, it's like a 2-for-1 deal, which you cannot beat. And I'm the cheapest around. So go check me out. And to those that do purchase, I really appreciate your support. Um, Before we get into this video though, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out. So you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, y'all, let's get into these deals. Okay, y'all. Only thing from Family Dollar that I purchased was these pods, basically the game pods, and they look like this. 42 original. They still have these for $9 and 97 cents, y'all. Y'all are sleeping on this. Then this week at Family Dollar as well, they have their 5 off for 25. So you can get 3 of these for $24.91, making each one $8.30. We don't have no coupons for these, at least that I know of, because when I scanned them, no coupons were popping up. But still, at $8 and something for some laundry detergent, you cannot beat that at all. And basically, they are the Gain Flings Original 42 count. And then the same for the Tide. They have the Tide Downy, and it's the 25XL ones, and then it's the 25XL for the Odor and Oxy. I got 3 of those at $9.97 each. When that 5 off 25 comes off you, it will be $24.91. You know, I don't discuss tax because everybody's tax is different. But at that price, you cannot beat it. But these are the only 2 transactions that I did at Family Dollar. I'm kind of mad at Family Dollar right now because they did have a coupon that I know I got. I don't know about anybody else, but it was a spend now, save later. So basically, if you spent $30, you were supposed to get a $10 coupon back. I did not receive my coupon. I made this purchase, what was it, like June the 9th, and it's going on July. I already called them, have a case number, and it's supposed to have been put on my account. Still nothing. And if I was you, I would not mess with that Unilever coupon anymore. It's the spend 15, get 5 back on Dove. Now, sometimes I can admit that they did give me my $5 back, but it's been plenty of times that I have not received my $5 back on that, and I just didn't want to say nothing, but now I'm bringing it to everybody's attention. On those coupons, if you are not saving now at Family Dollar and expect something back, I would think about it before I do it, because 9 times out of 10 they do not give you your coupons back. So think about it before you use it. But that's enough of that. Let's get on to the Dollar General deals. And at the end of this video, I have like probably 3 visuals and UPCs of some items to look for in the clearance event that's coming up July the 1st to the 5th. So be on the lookout for those images and UPCs and the clearance event. So let's get into these Dollar General 5 off of 25 hot deals that you don't want to miss. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction. Yes, y'all, the Dove X and men's Cure Dove body wash. Buy one, get one 50%. So I took advantage of that. Yes, I did. These are the $8 Doves, and with the 5 off 25, I paid $31 for 6, and it makes each one $5.16 each. Doves are expensive, y'all. So any deal that I can get on those, I will take it. Plus, a lot of my customers like Dove, so it's really hard for me to keep it and get it when we don't have great deals. But I did pay $31 plus tax or whatever, but the original price on these would have been $48, almost $50. So yes, I did get them. Buy one, get one 50%. You can also get the $5 ones, but it was like my 5 off 25 wasn't coming off or something. I don't know. She scanned about 7 of them, and it was just like my 5 off 25 was not coming off. So I was just like, let me get the bigger ones and see. But the $5 did come off. I got 6 of those. And like I said, you can get the Axe, the men's Dove body wash, or the women's. Buy one, get one 50% off with that 5 off of 25. Now let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction, and this is how you basically get stocked up as well if you're doing a stockpile. Well, I wanted to do the P&G deal, so I was like, what better way to do that and that's spend 30, get back $8 than do this. You can get these Mr. Cleans, they are $4 each, so I got 6, that's $24 right there. And then I added on this $9 one, and it's because we have a $3 coupon making it $6. So with this big one and all of these small ones, it will be $30 on the nose. And on top of that, y'all, I got my 5 off 25. So that made it $26 is what you pay out of pocket. But you are going to get your $8 back, dropping the total even more to $18, making each one of these Mr. Cleans $2.57 each. Plus, you got that $8 that you can spend once you do that P&G deal. So that was my next transaction, and I might go back and do this with some more items with that P&G deal, probably Dawn or what else? The Clean Freak, something that's a low price that you can get a lot of to reach that $30 mark instead of buying 3 or 4 items, paying 30 and then getting the 8 back. I'd rather get a lot of items, get that 8 back. So that is a transaction that I did as well. So let's get into the next 2 transactions, and I found some clearance items at Walmart that I want to share with y'all as well. So stay tuned. Do not skip through the video. You might miss something important. Okay, y'all, I had an $8 P&G off, so I decided to grab these 3 items up. These Game Plus, and it's the 75 loads. They are $13.45 on sale. We have $3 coming off for each one of these, making them $10.45 each. So I picked up these 2. Then I grabbed this OxyClean. It is on sale for $8. Regular price is $9.50, and it's that price on the regular one too. But I wanted to get the one with the purple top. So $8 on that. Once the $8 came off from the P&G deal, I paid $20.90, making each one of these items $6.96 each. So that's what I did with one P&G deal. Now I'm gonna show y'all the other stuff I purchased with another P&G deal with the 8 off. Cause I didn't get my 5 off of 25 off on this. So I was just like, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna just take my $8 and keep it moving. But that's what I got with the $8. Okay, y'all, this is my last transaction, and don't mind the plates. You know, kids are impatient. As soon as I get this stuff, they be getting it, ripping it open, and instead of asking, Mama, did you do your video yet, or whatever, but I'm still gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, starting off with the game fireworks, they were $4.50. We have $2.50 coming off, making them $2. This Febreze warmer was $4. $3.08 came off, making it 92 cents. And that's it. What it said on my receipt. I thought it was supposed to be free, but like I said, $3.08 came off. Then on the Ajax, they are $4.15, but they are buy one get one free. And if you haven't did this deal yet, I hope there's not a lot of couponers in your area, because these were the last two Ajax and Palmolive that I got that was on the shelf, y'all. Completely wiped out on those items. But the Palmolive was $3.95, had $1.50 off, making it $2.45. And I got this banana bread mix because I've been into this type of thing lately. I just made some muffins, homemade, no, none of this or whatever. So I seen it, wanted to try it, and it was like $2.95. Then I got these plates right here, 3 of them. They are $2 each, but it's a deal on these 3 for $5, and even on the True Living bowls, you can get those 3 for $5 as well. But I went on and got the plates. Then on the True Living 42 plates, and it's the 10-inch plates, because I don't like those little 8-inch plates. You can't even get a full dinner on those plates. Those is for like a sandwich or something like that. But these were $4.95. We have $1 off, making them $3.95. Then I got some of the deep dish plates, and it was a 40 count. They are the 10.25 inch as well. They were $3.95 with $1 off, making them $2.95. So when my $8 came off for that P&G deal, I paid, it was $19.07, making each item $1.90. And I did not add the free Ajax in that total. So $19.07, $1.90 each for these items. Good household items that, you know, everybody need a little dishwashing liquid, paper plates. Because I was not about to get those high Dixie plates, talking about some $6.95, and then they have $1.25 off when you buy 2. So that's like what, $13, $14, and then you get a little dollar and something off of them. And then the cheaper Dixie plates that attach to that coupon, they was all gone, y'all. So if y'all gonna get some of these deals, better now than never, because shelves are clearing. July 4th is coming up. Everybody snatching up stuff, trying to get ready for that, I'm guessing. Or it could just be for the lovely prices. But yeah, y'all, let me show y'all the clearance stuff I got from Walmart, and then we gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, here are some clearance items that I got from Walmart, the Dreft was $2.50 each. Then the Dreft bottle and dish spray, $2.50 each. And these Dove, I think it's lotion or cream or something, they were $3 each. A little dollar, well, 50 cents more, but hey, these are normally $8 and $9 items, but $3 as a steal. I got the last two of them, and the last two of them, and I was like, woo, finally some clearance items. But yeah, be on the lookout for these particular items. I know all stores clearance be different, but it's just something to be on the lookout for, especially if you need it. But that's the end of the video. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out, because no telling what type of deals I will be posting next. And please don't forget to check out my budget planner along with a free copy of a savings companion. It has money saving challenges, all types of good stuff, trackers for you to keep track of bills, passwords, just all types of stuff, y'all. And I'm using this as well. So don't forget to check it out. The link is in the description. Even if you just go to the website to look and see what it's about, please support your girl, because I really need it. And if you do, I really appreciate it. And I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.